Look at this, man.
What's that taste like that? Let me know. I'm getting one.
Buffalo burrito taco.
Yup. Your Jay's Way empanada.
Jay's Way empanada.
Philly cheesesteak egg roll.
Philly cheesesteak egg roll. OMG. Zach got the steak and cheese fried bucket, y'all. A big up respect to who are you?
Badlands Chugs is in the house.
Do they call you DD?
Yo, man, Daym Drops, you know the vibes.
What's up, fam? It's your man, Matt DV. Man, we're in Newark, New Jersey, but we're headed to Ledyard. I think it's Ledyard or Ledyard or Ledyard. Ledyard, Connecticut. And look who I got in the car packed in. We 3 deep in the car, y'all. Let's get on the highway and get underway. Here we go. But they ran out of money. We just pulled up. Man, I feel like the Beverly Hillbillies in here. Man, I feel like the Beverly Hillbillies up in here. What you laughing at, Zach? Nothing. You better not be laughing at nothing. Piece of hair. Gotta keep them in check. Big up respect to who are you?
Badlands Chugs is in the house. Oh man, and CT doing it up big. I brought my arsenal, you know what I'm saying?
He got his
You know, but you know, y'all like, why'd you bring the camera? Did you bring the DOS booth?
Oh!
All right, the big one, y'all. Go big or go home. Stop playing.
And look, we gotta get my brother here, man. Come on, man. Represent.
Up,
represent.
Man? It's your boy Jimy official, man. Connecticut, what's up, man? We here, man. We finna go crazy. We finna eat crazy, man. We finna have fun, man. What's up?
Do they call you DD?
Yo, man, Daym Drops, you know the vibes. Food Titan in the building. Netflix, fresh, fried, and crispy. All type of Burger King commercials, Popeye commercials. 5 years of the Rachel Ray Show, man. It's about the food game, and we control it out here. You know the vibes. 3 the hard way.
Yes, yes, yes. Like, that was spiritual.
Is that the illest brother in Nebraska? No, I'm sorry, not Nebraska. I'm punching too much belly. Is that the illest brother in Connecticut right there? That's him. It's Daym Drops, all right? It's history. I'm just sitting on the branches taking notes. You know what I'm saying?
Look, I'm gonna be following, man, picking up the crumbs, y'all. We here. We here. We here.
Love it. That's right. That's right. All day. You know, we be like Hansel and Gretel in this piece.
Hansel and Gretel. He's a Hansel.
Hansel. That's right. Hansel, tomato, tomato.
What they specializing in?
Philly cheese rolls.
So get the mini cheese rolls. I'm gonna get the mini cheese rolls, y'all. What you getting, Damon?
Oh, man, listen. Triple B grilled cheese is going down.
Uh-oh.
The Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. And the tostachos. We've got a whole lot of things going on. So we got a little bit of everything.
All right. What would you suggest for me? He said the mini cheese rolls.
Yeah, the egg rolls, man. You can't go wrong with the cheesesteak egg rolls, right?
All right.
This is my first time here, so I don't know.
Oh, okay.
So if I can't go wrong, I'm about to find out.
Do you like spice?
I do like spice.
The Buffalo burrito tacos have been a big hit today as well.
Buffalo burrito tacos. All right, give me that. I gotta get something else.
What else should we give on the
Give me something smaller. Something small. Yeah. Oh, the empanadas. How's the empanadas?
You want to do a stuffed empanada? It's Jay's Way.
Stuff. Okay, what's in it?
So it's basically this right here.
Let's do that. Let's do that.
Which one would you prefer?
Oh, what is that right there?
These are the egg rolls.
So we gotta do. Let's do the empanada and the egg rolls, and then the cheesesteak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do a beef stuffed.
Yep.
Philly cheesesteak egg rolls.
See her, y'all. She ringing it up. She ringing it up. She ringing it up.
And the buffalo burrito. All right, and you all said that's gonna be on us.
Oh
as well.
wow! Look, yo, y'all didn't hear that. Thank you so much.
That's gonna let you know when it's ready.
Okay. So look, y'all, I got a lot of stuff, and the kids gonna definitely have to help me eat this. So let's go over here to them. Look, I hope y'all still hungry. Y'all still hungry?
No.
Huh?
Full.
Yo, it's a lot of food coming.
Yes.
See, that's why I wanted them to wait. But they still cool. They with us.
You all set? Your food is up.
It's gonna be a front side
It's gonna
situation.
be the front side situation. That's the buffalo burrito tacos.
Buffalo burrito taco.
Yup. Your Jay's Way empanada.
Jay's Way empanada.
Philly cheesesteak egg roll.
Philly cheesesteak egg roll. OMG. We going for the Philly egg rolls first, y'all. Hold up, wait a minute. We out here, let's check it out. Yo, this is delicious. It tastes like bell peppers in here, red peppers, onions, cheesy, meaty. Something just got real cheesy in my mouth. It's delicious. Come taste it, man. Zach's gonna get one. Let's. Oh, go ahead. Go for the sauce, man.
It's a nice crunch. I can taste some type of lime too.
All right, I'm going for the sauce now. You got me? Why the camera from pointing that way? Let's go for it, y'all. That sauce is the bomb. Hold up. We're gonna have to go over here. Now y'all heard the names, right? Quesadilla?
That's the Buffalo Burrito Tacos.
Buffalo Burrito Tacos. Look at this, man.
It's good even with the dairy free. It's all in the sauce.
You dripping. Your juice falling out. All right, check it out, y'all. Buffalo Burrito Tacos. Look at that blue cheese. Look at that blue cheese on top of there. Can y'all see it? I'm gonna put some of this little green sauce. Oh my goodness. This is spicy. Got that buffalo chicken in it, really cheesy. I'm starting to taste those hot peppers in the back of my mouth.
You know where it's at. That's a playscape.
Look at these little carrots. And the presentation is beautiful, man. Right off the truck. What do you know about presentation off the truck? I need something to drink. This is really spicy, but it's delicious. What kind of sauce is this?
So it's our house-made avocado creme.
Avocado creme. You heard how she rolled that R? Avocado creme. Delicious. Delicioso.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm doing my dance.
All the sauces and seasonings that come off this truck are all made in-house. We don't buy no bulk spices, no nothing.
All made in house. Give it up to the chef.
Thank you.
Anybody want to try some? Delicious. Here we go, man. We're going for the empanada now.
That was funny when you said the pregnant woman.
No, I don't have napkins. I don't need none. I'm gonna lick my lips on this one. That tastes really healthy. I taste the cheese, fresh veggies, lettuce, tomatoes. It has that meat in there. It's delicious. And that crispiness, man, that is like taco. It's not. She didn't call it whatever it was. It was right here. Look at that sauce in there. See that sauce? What is it?
Salsa rosada.
Salsa rosada. That's what you're seeing in there. I'm gonna rename it and just call it delicious. All right? Everything's been renamed for me today. It's all delicious. That's a done deal.
Meanwhile, back at the entrance, this young man challenged Badlands Chugs.
Yo, nah. You suck.
I'm telling you.
Hold on. What's going on here?
Now, I messed around and let these nachos get cold. But I love nachos. I'm just a nacho man.
Yeah, I can smell those from over here. Yeah, smells of
Hot, spicy, nice, sour cream in it. Oh man, it's some like ricotta right here.
Right.
I think this might be like either American cheese or cheddar. I think it's American because cheddar doesn't melt like this.
Right.
Even when it's super soggy, I still love it. But get it and eat it within 5 minutes, and it'd be the best nachos ever.
Oh. This right here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Zach got the steak and cheese fried bucket, y'all. Right there. Right there. Right there.
Hey, if we want to get in line, let's get in line.
Let me taste a piece of the meat. I'm gonna just get this piece right here. Right there, the dark one. I got some of the meat, y'all.
I wanna walk around. Yeah.
Yeah, you can walk around.
It's a little tasty, but that's a little tough.
It's a little tough.
Okay, I got the cheese and steak, fries. I'm still chewing it. Seen that little piece? It's tasty though. It tastes seasoned, well seasoned. You'll like it. But you don't want. You should have got 2 forks. Tell Zoe to get another fork.
I can't explain how cool it was hanging out with some of my fellow YouTubers today. It was really awesome and I learned so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. But I love you cats. See you at the next one.